Let's consider the area between the graph y equals f of x and the x-axis from x equals a to b and call this area S. Let capital F of x be an antiderivative of f of x. Then, as you probably already know, the area S can be computed as f of b minus f of a. But why does this calculation give us the area? In this video, let's explore the reason behind it. Now let's start again and define a function. Let S of x be the area from x equals a to an arbitrary point x. Next, consider another vertical line at x plus h, where h is a small positive number. Then the area of this thin blue region is given by S of x plus h minus S of x. Now let's look at the red rectangle. Its base is h and its height is f of x, so its area is h times f of x. Next, consider the slightly larger rectangle. This rectangle has height f of x plus h, so its area is h times f of x plus h. From the diagram, it is clear that the area of the blue region lies between the areas of these two rectangles, so we obtain the following inequality. Now let's divide both sides of this inequality by h. Then take the limit as h approaches 0. As h approaches 0, f of x plus h approaches f of x. What about the expression in the middle? By the definition of the derivative, this becomes the derivative of s with respect to x. Therefore, by the squeeze theorem, we find that the derivative of s with respect to x equals f of x. Now let's integrate this equation. We obtain s of x equals f of x plus c, where c is a constant of integration. Next, let's determine the value of this constant c. When x equals a, the blue area is clearly 0, so we know that s of a equals 0. Substituting x equals a into the equation, we get 0 equals f of a plus c. This tells us that c equals negative f of a. Therefore, we obtain s of x equals f of x minus f of a. Finally, since we want the area from x equals a to b, we substitute x equals b and we find that the area S equals f of b minus f of a. That's why this integral calculation gives us the area S. Did that make sense? If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. I'll be posting more videos about mathematics, so don't forget to like and subscribe.